we're designing our van layout.
Something to buy, yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and guess what? Today is day one of our van conversion. Oh my god.
Yeah, we are so stoked. So the first thing we're doing today is we're going to try and finalize our layout because we've got a couple of differing opinions about how the van should look. So today's, we're gonna like battle royale it out and just see if we can come up with a pretty close to a finalized layout.
It's gonna be Sally versus Ed. Which layout is better? Finalize the van layout. Finalize the van layout. Woo. Only because we've gone through so many different. I just whacked you in the nose. Sorry. Only because we've gone through so many different ideas for our van layout. We've been going back and forth, and well, we haven't really come to an agreement yet. So what we thought we would do first thing this morning is we're each gonna get a piece of paper and a marker, and we are each gonna draw our dream van layout. All right, so what we're gonna do now, pop the timer on and see who has the best design layout. So guys, comment down below, whose layout do you think is gonna be better? Mine or Ed's? On your marks, get set, go! I don't know how to draw a van. On the count of three, should we show each other our layouts? 1, 2, 3. I flipped it the wrong way. So here's what I'm thinking. So ignore the fact that I am literally the worst drawer in the entire world. Probably 2-year-olds can draw better than me. Aside from that, here's what I'm thinking. This is the cab right here. So when you first walk in, like from the side door, there's the shower, like right in the corner. And then I'm thinking maybe next to the shower, maybe we have like a set of drawers. In terms of bed, what I'm thinking is like a U-shaped couch, and the table kind of drops down, becomes a bed, that kind of thing. And then the kitchen is kind of overhanging the door that opens. What are your thoughts? Join me.
It's different.
What have you drawn?
I
Come on in.
I thought that going with a permanent bed would be the way to go. I think a permanent bed is gonna make life easier for us. So I've got a full bed at the end, our shower, then we have a kitchen. I think that's more or less how I want it. So what do you think?
I think it looks good. Yeah. To be honest, we keep drawing things on paper, but like, how do you know? You know, like, look at this piece of paper. How do I know like how big stuff is, how much space there is? So I think what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cut some cardboard to scale, we're gonna go put it in the van and make sure that not only everything fits that we wanna put in the van, but also that there's enough space for us to walk between each thing. One of the first things we have to figure out with our layout is where our shower is gonna go. The shower is pretty much the only thing so far that we've ordered that has fixed dimensions. We've ordered a shower from DIY RV Solutions, and they actually make showers that are made to fit to Mercedes Sprinter's vans. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty big. I'm checking the dimensions, and the shower is 680 deep and the width is 940. Inside the van, that's a pretty big space. We're gonna have to figure out where we want to put that first. Basically, fit the shower and then figure out where everything else is gonna go around the shower.
Go. Sally's layout first, so her shower's going in the corner.
And then I thought maybe if we fit the couch,
Yeah.
do you want to lie down so we can see like how long?
Yep.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. Take one of these at a time.
I'm gonna go get some more cardboard. So far, this seems to actually be working really well. It's pretty good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall off the fan. This is actually a really good way to see what everything's gonna look like in the van. Like actually to feel, is the space gonna be too cramped? Is everything gonna fit? I actually think this has been super beneficial. You know what that reminds me of? Oh, what a feeling, Toyota. Easy. Alright, so we've sort of got everything put down for layout 1, so I'll just quickly take you through it. So we're thinking this is going to be the shower. This will probably be like some drawers or some storage. This will be a couch that becomes a bed in the nighttime, and then this right here, this will be our kitchen. Thoughts on layout 1?
It's not too bad. I think I like having this couch seating area at the back. I think that's really good. I'm a little bit concerned about this bench, this space. So if this bench here is 60 centimeters wide, so 600 mil, then we only have really quite a small space to get through. And I just feel that that would be pretty inconvenient. We're gonna try moving the shower, put the shower down here near the rear wheels, which will mean that we have a narrower bench, but it'll free up the front. Take a step backwards and I'll show you guys what I mean. So the shower's gotta go here, right? And then this can go
there.
Here, which will also mean we can do something like that. And you've got more space.
We're just toying with a bit of a different layout. So we've moved the shower here. So instead of being in the corner, it's actually closer to the wheel arch, which kind of breaks up the bed/couch area, like our bedroom area, with our kitchen area. Putting the kitchen along here, and then maybe having our sink here.
I quite like this now that I've seen it laid out again. I think having the U shape at the back with some sort of table here in the middle.
This is good?
Is good. So we can sit and work, and then in the nighttime we can convert it into a bed, and it's plenty long enough.
Go on, lie down.
For me to lie down.
Are you comfy?
I can hog the whole bed. It's really nice. Sally can have a nice little curl up in the corner, and I can hog the whole bed, which will be great.
So in your original plan, you wanted a fixed bed.
I did.
Do you think maybe a couch is better?
Most of the day we're up and awake, and so I think having like somewhere we can sit and just be comfortable during the day is really important.
I think so.
I know that we probably sleep for 8 or 9 hours, and that's also important, having a good sleeping space. You know, if we're gonna be spending a lot of our day like just hanging out in the van and being comfortable and like just chilling, I think having a nice seating arrangement would be really beneficial.
We have our couch, bed, sleeping, bedroom. Dogs. Shh. So we've got our living/bedroom sorted. Now we just need to figure out everything else. That's like 1 out of 3 areas. Tick, 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 tick.
Give us a ninja kick.
That's my tick kick. Yeah. In terms of layout, this is feeling good. And this is Sally and Ed from the future. I was just editing this video and I realized that when we filmed our outro, I must have accidentally left the microphone off. So, whoopsies, sorry about that, but this does mean, guys, that you are getting a small, tiny sneak peek of what we have done since we filmed this video, which I'll admit is not a lot, but just to give you a quick sneak peek, we have done some sound dampening. We got some pretty impressive tools, and there's some wood on the floor. So, what are we doing in the next episode?
I wonder what we're doing in here. So in the next episode, if you stay tuned, that'll be out on Sunday. We are going to be prepping the van. So we need to clean out the van, we need to tidy up some rust, and we need to make sure she's all good to go so that we can start our building.
So guys, make sure you are subscribed, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and we will see you in the next video.
Life, raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high.